Happy 4th of July, folks, on America's 250th birthday. I figured I'd try to come out here with the most patriotic light that I have. What we're looking at here is a Unity RV45 beacon with a very, very special Spitfire dome. This dome actually originally was brought out in 1976 during the 200th birthday of the United States. And what ended up happening is that a lot of these domes didn't make it, or in this case, this was never an original dome. This is actually a repro, but you're looking at a reproduction dome that Unity released very specifically for the 200th birthday of the United States of America. I figured, why not bring it back on its 250th birthday? So with that said, folks, let's go ahead and light this thing up. Pardon the shaky cam. And there it is. So here is a very special version of the Spitfire. And I'll zoom in here and show it off. Very cool. Basically a clear dome with red painted top, red painted bottom, a clear center band, and then a blue streak right through the middle. Very unique dome. The Spitfire domes are very popular, as I know most people watching this know. But this was a very, very unique color scheme. I like this schema. It's a very neat looking dome. I know a lot of people are going to ask, what's the point of the red? Because there's not really a whole lot of red in there, but taking that aside, it's still a cool dome. So I'm going to shut up, let this thing go. And on that note, folks, happy 4th of July. Hope you're spending time with your family, friends, and loved ones. Hopefully everybody's having a good cookout. And from my family to yours, God bless America, all that jazz. Happy 250th. Stampede Valkyrie signing off.